In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a return and refund policy in your Wix store. Having a clear and accessible return and refund policy is crucial for any online store, enhancing customer trust and setting clear expectations. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have a comprehensive policy for your site. Firstly, go to wix.com in your browser. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click that and enter your credentials to access your Wix account. Navigate to your Wix Store website after logging in. This is where we'll be setting up the policy. Next, from your Wix dashboard, you'll see an option called Edit Site. Clicking on this button will open the Wix Editor. The Wix Editor is your tool to manage and customize the look and feel of your website, providing an intuitive platform for all your editing needs. Once you're in the editor, let's create a new policy page. Start by clicking on Menus and Pages on the left side of your screen. Then press +C Add Page and choose Blank Page. You can name this page Return and Refund Policy or simply Refund Policy, depending on what suits your brand and preference. With the page in place, add a text box where you will write out your store's specific policy details. Consider including key areas like eligibility for returns, the time frame in which returns can be requested, detailed steps your customers must follow to initiate a return, and information about how refunds will be processed, including the method and typical processing duration. Adding these details will ensure that your policy is crystal clear to your customers. Moving on, let's go ahead and link this policy to your store. Head over to Wix Store in your dashboard and navigate to Settings, then click on Store Policies. Within this section, you will find fields labeled Return and Refund Policy, or perhaps Terms of Service. You'll want to include a link to the policy page you've just created in these fields, thereby integrating the policy directly with your store's settings. Optionally, you may also wish to add the policy to your website's footer for easier access. In the footer section, include a text link or button clearly labeled Return and Refund Policy. This link should direct your customers to the new policy page, making it readily accessible from any page on your site. Lastly, before finalizing everything, preview your site by clicking the Preview button. Double check that your links function properly and ensure that the text is fully readable on both desktop and mobile devices. Satisfied with how it all looks? Great! Go ahead and hit Publish to make your return and refund policy live on your Wix store. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a professional return and refund policy to your Wix store, making it easier for your customers to understand your policies while shopping.